For my next video, I'd like to do one on the product Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and specifically how to capture text and print them into a PDF. Okay, so the Samsung has a really neat built-in feature. Okay, so let's go into our camera, and then the first thing you want to do is make sure you have this ability on. So you're going to go to the four dots right here, tap those, and then into settings. And you want to make sure scan documents and text is on. There's actually quite a few on here I see that should be on, that I'll make another video on that. But for now, make sure your scan documents and text is always on. Okay, go back to the camera. And then I have two pangrams here, and a little bit of information. You get a 2-for-1 sale today on info in the channel. A pangram is all of the letters in one sentence in the alphabet. So the first one here, there's every letter in the alphabet. This one, every letter in the alphabet. So there you go. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. We'll put the camera on there, and as you can see, I have the four corners light up. Okay, so now I want to hit the text button. Okay, I hit the text button. Now I have two options: to either save it by hitting the down arrow, or to scan it. Okay, so I'm going to scan it, and we can move these arrows, the corners, so we don't get all that dead space. And then save, and my document is now saved. So now if I want to save it as a PDF, I can go to, the three corner dots in the corner, and then go to print. And then instead of printing on a printer, you go to save as a PDF. So now that's how you can not only scan in letters, you can scan them in, make a PDF, put them in your Notes app. You're turning them into from a graphic to a text format. So it's a pretty unique feature. Okay, so that's my video on how to make letters into text and a PDF. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button. And until next time, I'm out.